Hey, Old Man Reviews here, and I am going to be taking you through my video setup so you can get an idea of how I'm able to do the recording. See, on the table here are outputs that are coming from my system over there. These outputs are going to be what I hook into the Dazzle, which I am in the process of getting to stabilize the videos, because, well, my gameplay on the videos I have is fine. The picture and the sound quality is not quite where I'd like it to be. Here we have Bender, the mascot of the basement area. Some nostalgic stuff on top of the entertainment center, including a lightsaber universal remote, Starship Enterprise, landline phone. Going down, you have the TV on the left. Wii just to the right of that. Further over is the video games on the top level. Sound receiver, which a lot of inputs are going into. DVD and VCR. VCR, which also has some inputs dealing with. And on the bottom, I have the Xbox and the Nintendo 64 systems. So I'm going to get this set up and show you how I have all of this working. Start by turning on the VCR and the TV. And getting the receiver turned on. Now, before I start showing you the stuff, so my new setup is going to be involving this. My old setup was just this. Not very exciting or interesting, but again, I just kind of stumbled onto recording them when someone said, when I was playing, like, you should record these. I thought, why? And I was told, well, because you go to YouTube all the time to look for ways to finish a level.
What is the Blu-ray experience? Here, let me show you.
Alright, so here's the DVD player going.
You put up your feet and relax. Then, just pop your disc into your Blu-ray player and hit play.
And get to my chair here. Alright.
Experience a high-def.
So that is the DVD player. And I switch sections here. I have my remote here. So you can see it's set up for the Wii. However, the Wii remote is actually on top of the TV right now. So I'm not going to worry too much about that. We might come back to that. That's video 3. Video 2. This is our Xbox, our Nintendo 64. And then here we have the Xbox. So pretty easy to switch back and forth. So I have Spider-Man in the video 2. Wii is not transferred over yet. Hurry up! And Jedi Knight loaded in for the Xbox, which is also... There's the Wii setup. That's Spider-Man setup, and transferring into the game for the Jedi Knight 2, which I have not done anything with yet reviewing wise, but was playing that a couple weeks ago. So I hope you enjoy what you see, and when I get the Dazzle, hopefully a lot of these videos will be a whole lot more stable. And I am signing off. Thank you.